everyone, welcome back to my channel. As today I will show you all 5 lazy girl simple hairstyles, and plus these are all 1 minute hairstyles. So let's get started. As for my first hairstyle, by taking a rat tail comb, I will comb my front part here at first. And then both of my eyebrows top edge, I will start taking tiny section by section of my hair and will crisscross them. As you can see how I am doing it. So this is how does it look from the top. At last I will just clip them by using 2 bobby clips. So that's it. I'm done with my first hairstyle, which took me only 1 minute to do. For my second hairstyle, I will at first make a side parting of my hair. And then I will bring all of my hair to my one side and will make a ponytail at first. I will lose my both sides top here. Now I will take another hair tie and will tie it at the 2/3 of my ponytail here by leaving a certain gap from my top hair tie. As now I will divide my middle gap here into half and will make an inside out topsital on it, as I will do it for the second time also. As due to the making of double time inside out topsital, it's now looking like a tight fishtail braid. So now I will just lose this tight looking fishtail braid from both the sides by pinching out tiny section by section of my hair. And this is how you can achieve a loose fishtail braid within a minute. Now for my third hairstyle, I will make it with my side parting here. As after leaving a certain portion of my bangs here, I will start making it. To make this style, I will take ½ inch of my hair, and after dividing into half, I will make a knot of it. Now by taking another ½ inch of my back here, I will make another knot of it. As you can see that I am only folding my new section of hair around the first section of hair. Again for the third time I will repeat the same step by folding my new section here around the previous section of my hair. And I am making it for the 4th time also. I will clip them by using 2 bobby clips. And for a smooth look, I will comb it by using a rat tail comb. So I'm done with my another 1 minute hairstyle. For my fourth hairstyle, will take section from both of my eyebrow corner up to my crown area. After combing it nicely, now I will tie a hair tie on it. I would like to make my ponytail to get noticed from my front. So for it, I will tie a second hair tie above my previous hair tie. Now by dragging my hair from both the corner of my ponytail, I am done with it. Now I will divide my back hair and will bring it on front of me from both of my sides, and then will adjust my front hair. So here how's it look like? As you can keep it like this way, or you can take a tiny section of hair from the ponytail to hide the hair elastics. This is my another 1 minute hairstyle looks like. For my last 5th hairstyle, at first I will make a side parting of my hair. I will partition my hair from both the corner of my eyebrow and will clip it by using a small clutcher. Now at first I will take up to 2-inch part of hair from my left side. And after combing it, I will make a tight twist of it. After making the twist, now I will bring it to my other corner. By leaving another 2-inch like hair from my other side, I will clip it just under my hair by using 2 bobby clips. Now I will do the same thing with my other side loose hair also. After taking off the clutcher, I will spread my hair. As you can see that due to the bump of the twisted hair, my both sides hair is looking voluminous. And this is how it look from top of my head. Even I have partitioned my back hair on the middle. So this is how my last 1 minute headband style looks like, and with it I have completed all of my 5 lazy girl simple hairstyles, which can be done within 1 minute. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So bye and see you next time.